Okay, so I'll stay capoed here. But what if I wanted to capo for a C chord, right? I would take my C chord shape and I would move it up until I found a B flat, which is way up here at the 13th fret. So my third finger is at the 13th fret. That's a B flat. My first finger is at the 11th fret on the second string. That's a B flat. So my capo would go at the 10th fret. So my 145 would be C.F.G. capoed at the 10th fret. And you can see you can play up there to get a nice chimey thing, but not the most fun to play up there. And then I'd have to retune and stuff a little bit. So we're just going to roll with this, but I wanted you to see how I would think about finding that chord. If you do the march up thing, this is where I think people get into trouble. The further you have to march, the more likely you are to miss something. So C, C sharp or D flat, D, D sharp or E flat, E, F, F sharp or G flat, G, G sharp or A flat, A sharp or B flat. So the marching up thing, as long as you don't skip something, you'll be fine if you remember your sharps and flats. But it doesn't really look cool on stage to be counting and marching up. So you're better off just to know where to put the capo. But if you have to, march up for a little bit, that's fine. But just make sure you are not skipping a note. But the end goal for you is to see where that root note is, which means you have to know the 6th, 5th, and 4th strings, where to put the capo in relationship to the chord. Okay, so number 3, the chords will come faster. I'll stay capoed down here for the A. You're still capoed for the G chord. We're both in B flat. I'm going to do number 16, which is in 6/8, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 4, 1. 5, 4, 1. Repeat. Tension, resolve.